Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Sounds really great.
haven't had it out in a while. It's an omnibus. Oh yeah. I got a ton of Volkswagen. You can't drive them all. What do you got here? Oh,
Good morning, everybody. Which way? Oh, I forgot. Life is good. The day is beautiful. Hobby W's is here. DKK, of course, is here.
What are you driving today?
I am driving this sweet 63 and a half VW that I bought 2 weeks ago. Had never had wax on it in over 10 years. Been built for many years. Moved in, moved out, moved in, moved out. A lot of orange peel, a lot of problems like any car you buy and you think you're buying something good. So my hit list is really big and I've got it narrowed down to just a few things I got to do. Got it running sweet. Spent the entire day at Jeanberg Enterprise yesterday with all my friends. They came over and kind of helped me romp around the car a little bit. Got it straightened away, put the new Berg Venturis in it. Molto buono. Let me tell you,
Show me the motor.
The car ran good before, but man, does it run good now.
Oh, nice. Nice. Wow.
So Dino Don is becoming a happy camper, but I also realize what my youth exhibited when I was 18 years old in one of these cars. We're not the same people anymore. We've had air conditioning, we've had power steering, but you know what? As soon as I start the key and I hear the engine roar, I'm a different guy. I'm a different guy. I love it. It's great. Great to be back. You guys tune in, be nice, buy the magazine, and enjoy. See ya. Morning. How are you?
Any idea how much horsepower it makes?
It's around 240.
240. What?
Do you like that? I love it.
Nutty like a squirrel.
Nutty like a squirrel. Thank you, Duckbird. Look at it, Duckbird, folks. The genius of Volkswagen. Hey, you guys thought Gene was smart? This guy don't even know his own name. He's so smart.
He calls me dangerous.
Dangerous dude.
Hey DG fam, this is your girl Adriana from Detail Garage Orange, located at 806 North Tustin, City of Orange. Here to talk about all premium car care products. We carry a huge selection of soaps and rim cleaners, along with our tire dressing in a can, oil base, or water base. Just a friendly reminder, water base you can use in the interior and exteriors. We also carry tools. But if you follow us on Detail Garage Instagram, you will find out when we have discounts during these days. From there on, we also have interior cleaner. We have leather, non-leather, fabric cleaner, lightly dirty, heavy dirty. Then we have degreasers. If you're ever interested in learning how to polish, we do offer classes twice a month, so stop on by and we'll introduce you to the V line. From there on, we have glazes, metal polishes, and water spot remover, which is one of our best sellers, and glass cleaners. And then at the end, we'll have ceramic coat, which is everybody's had. We have the 1-year protection and we have the 5-year protections. For the eco family, for people that want to replace an actual wash and use a spray, we have that in-house too. And quick details, so don't let that bird poop get in your car. Spray it, wipe it down, and you're good to go. Matte cars, if you don't want no shine, no problem. We'll make sure you get no shine, but we'll get sealant in it. If you have a wrap like PPF, nice and shiny, we also have that as well. And we have a large selection of microfiber towels that are 70/30 microfiber blend. So feel free to stop by. And have I mentioned our Rights and Coffee? We host the second Sunday of every month. Yep, it's called Carbs and Coffee BW South. So feel free to stop by. See you here. Peace. everybody that stopped by, remember we have free donuts and coffee inside. We also have a vendor here who sells organic coffee, amazing. Come and taste it. We're gonna be giving out 4 gifts. First one, 1179. 1179 going once. Awesome. All right, here's yours. And your ticket. I'll take a picture in a minute, okay? All right, the next one. Here we go. It will be 1239. 1239. And then there's your prize. All right, and here's our last one. In an hour, I'm gonna give 4 more presents.
So Mexican time is always. They showed up.